How to verify Trading 212 account. Follow the instructions. Download the Trading 212 app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and create an account with your email and a secure password. Check your email inbox and click the verification link. Fill in your personal information such as name, date of birth, and nationality. Enter your residential address exactly as it appears on official documents. Answer a few questions about your income, employment, and trading experience. Upload a clear photo of your ID document like a passport or national ID. Record a short motion selfie video to confirm your identity. Upload a recent document that proves your address such as a utility bill or bank statement. Wait for Trading 212 to review and approve your documents so you can start using your account. Thank you for watching.